Welcome. If you've ever wondered whether it's still possible to build an online business that runs almost on autopilot, then today's review might surprise you. We're looking at AiAutoSite, a platform that claims to create entire money-making websites automatically with zero writing, zero coding, and zero stress. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's break it down together and see what's really inside. So, what exactly is AiAutoSite? Think of it as your personal digital assistant that builds, updates, and grows websites on your behalf. It's designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, or anyone who wants to profit online without spending hours creating content. Imagine launching a site today, and by tomorrow, it's already filled with trending news, videos, and articles, all handled by AI. That's the kind of automation we're talking about here. When you log in, AiAutoSite gives you access to a full suite of smart tools. There's the Unlimited Site Builder, which lets you create as many AI-powered websites as you want. The AI News, Videos, and Articles Generator automatically adds fresh content every day, keeping your site relevant and active. You also get done-for-you news agency rights, meaning you can sell these sites or offer them to clients for recurring income. Plus, you'll find fully customizable templates to design everything your way, and a client management and recurring setup system to handle your customers like a pro. Now, here's what makes it interesting. The AI doesn't just build your site, it keeps it alive. It searches for trending topics, publishes updates, and even manages engagement. You're not just saving time, you're building digital assets that keep working around the clock. If you're wondering about cost, here's the deal. The current price is $67.95, but if you use the coupon code DEAL20, you'll save $20 and get it for only $47.95. Considering everything it includes, that's a steal. The price, however, is time-sensitive. It goes up every few hours during launch, and once the bonuses and coupons expire, the cost more than doubles. So if you plan to grab it, it's better not to wait too long. Now, let's talk about the bundle deal, because this part really shows the full value. Inside the bundle, you get the Unlimited Site Builder worth $4,997, unlimited AI news, videos, and articles valued at $6,970, done-for-you news agency rights at $997 per month, fully customizable templates valued at $497, and a client management and recurring setup worth $5,970. Add it all up, and you're looking at more than $18,000 in value, all packed into one low-cost offer. Compared to that, paying under $50 feels almost unfair. There's also a money-back guarantee, which gives you peace of mind if you decide it's not for you. Plus, AiAutoSite's support team is responsive and ready to help, so you're not left guessing during setup. So, should you buy it? If you've been searching for a hands-free way to build real online assets that grow automatically, AiAutoSite makes a strong case. It's simple, scalable, and surprisingly affordable. Click the official link in the description to visit the website, see how it works, and use code DEAL20 to unlock your discount before the price goes up.